In this video, I will show you how to make this crochet mesh shopping bag for your doll. Let's get started. To make this bag, you will need lace cotton yarn, 2 mm crochet hook, scissors, and needle. Start making a magic ring. And chain 2. And inside this magic ring, make 10 double crochet. So yarn over and make double crochet inside this ring. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, double crochet number 10. Okay, pull this yarn and close the hole and make a slip stitch here in this first double crochet that we made. This chain 2 in the beginning we will not count as a stitch. So right now again chain 2, we will not count it as a stitch, and in every stitch we will make, starting here from this first one, double crochet, chain 1, and in the same stitch make another double crochet and chain 1. In the next stitch we'll make exactly the same, so yarn over, make a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, make another double crochet in the same stitch and chain 1. I will show you one more time. In the next one, make a double crochet in this next stitch, chain 1, another double crochet in the same stitch and chain 1, and continue working like this all over to the end. I just made my last pair of double crochet, now just chain 1 and make a slip stitch in the first double crochet that we made of this round number 2. This is how it looks like. So right now we have 20 double crochet and 20 spaces of chain 1. Chain 2 and in this first double crochet we'll make a double crochet. Now chain 1 and we will make another double crochet just here in this double crochet of previous round. Chain 1 and again we go directly to this next double crochet of previous round and we will make double crochet. Chain 1 and make double crochet in the next double crochet and continue working like this to the end, so you have again 20 double crochet and 20 chain 1 spaces. After last chain 1, make again a slip stitch in the first double crochet that we made, chain 2, and again we will repeat this round number 3 more times until we finish round number 9. So again we'll start making a double crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, go to the next double crochet and make a double crochet. So we will work like this until we finish round number 9. I just finished round number 9. This is how it looks like already. Now just chain 1 And this round number 10, we'll just work single crochet. So here in this first stitch, we'll make a single crochet. Next single crochet we will make here in this chain 1 space, and again here in this stitch, and in the next chain 1 space. So after this round you will have 40 single crochet. So just continue working until the end of this round, and I will show you what to do next. The last single crochet is here in this chain 1 space. Now just make a slip stitch to the first single crochet, chain 1, and right now in this round number 11 we will start making straps. So right now in next 5 stitches make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now chain 20. Okay, so I chained 20, and now here skip 10 stitches and insert your hook into the 11th one, 11th, and make a single crochet. Okay. Now make 9 more single crochet. So here we have a total with this one of 10. So we have one. This was this one that we made connecting the chain. We will count as the first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And right now we will repeat the same. So chain 20. Again, I made a chain of 20, skip 10 stitches here and make a single crochet in the 11th one. Okay, and here we still have 4 more single crochet to make to finish this round. And after this last one, just make slip stitch in the first single crochet. And this round number 12 will be our last one. So we start with chain 1, and now in every single crochet and previous round we'll make a slip stitch. So starting from this very first stitch, we'll make 5 slip stitches here, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and in every chain of this round we will make a single crochet. So starting here from this, I will insert it here. Okay, just make a single crochet. So right now we will work 20 single crochet on this strap. Count stitches, because in the end of this chain it will be a little bit tricky. So in the chain make 20 single crochet. Okay, I already made 19. The 20th I will make here. And here again we will work slip stitches in every single crochet of previous round, and the first slip stitch we will make here. So This is the reason that I said it would be tricky in the end, because our first single crochet that we made, it was this one to connect the strap. So here we will just work 10 slip stitches in this single crochet. So again, I just made the 10th slip stitch, and here in this chain I will work 20 single crochet. So after 20 single crochet, we will again make slip stitches starting here in this last 5 single crochet, 3, 4 and 5, and here we will just make a slip stitch in this first slip stitch that we made of this round. Okay, chain 1, cut this yarn, and now just weave in the ends, and that's all. Our little shopping bag is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.